Hello PCB designers, PCB Africa wishes you all a happy new year. This year, PCB Africa brings you a series of webinars and trainings to help you design PCB like a pro. How about we start this year in a grand style?
Do you know that a lot could go wrong during the PCB manufacturing process? Yes. However, the good news is you can help your PCB manufacturer avoid these defects.
On Monday, the 7th of February 2022, PCB Africa engages the expertise of Amit Bahl, a.k.a. the PCB Guy from Sierra Circuits on the topic Best PCB Design Practices to Avoid Manufacturing Defects.
Amit has been in the PCB industry for 20 years. He is the Director of Sales and Marketing at Sierra Circuits. His passion is to empower tech companies to achieve their visions and change the world. Rockets going into space, self-driving cars taking up the streets, cancer-fighting medical devices, he's ready to build any circuit board.
For your best-in-class PCB fabrication, assembly, and components, go Sierra. Sierra Circuits is a PCB manufacturing and assembly house located in the Silicon Valley. They build high-quality and fast-turnaround prototypes for every tech giant and startup.
Do you have a PCB project that seems impossible to fabricate? Call Sierra, they've got you.
So, are you ready to say no to EMI? Join the PCB Africa community now.
PCB Africa, promoting proper PCB design techniques.